guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 10. I'm on my way to a craft fair right now at the fairgrounds, and they said there's gonna be like 70 vendors and snacks and stuff, so I'm excited. I'm going with my friend. So yeah, I'm excited to film this since I didn't film the last craft fair I went to, but maybe I'll be able to find some like Christmas gifts for a few people. We will see what they got. But I need to run to the gas station really quick, and I'm gonna run to the bank to get out some cash in case vendors don't take cards. But yeah, I'll update you guys when I get there. Alright, I just got to the craft fair and I'm wearing my festive All I Want for Christmas is book shirt. This is available in my Etsy shop if interested. Probably won't ship out before Christmas this year, but you know, for next year. Super cute. Let's go shop. Hey guys, so I just got back from the craft fairs. I didn't really film much in there. The first one I went to at the fairgrounds, it was actually kind of small. So we left and we went to one of the high schools near us, and that one was so much bigger. It was really cool. I didn't end up buying anything. I didn't really see anything that like I needed. I mean, I saw plenty of stuff for me, but I told myself I wasn't buying stuff for me. I was going to do Christmas shopping. Didn't really see anything that anyone really wanted, so I'm heading back home now. I dropped off my friend, and me and Kevin are gonna go Christmas shopping at the mall. Might go stop for lunch because it's like noon now. But yeah, spend the Saturday Christmas shopping. Guys, sorry I didn't film much shopping. The stores were freaking packed today, and I was just stressed out and not happy about it, so I didn't film much. But I'm back home. It's like 6 o'clock. Kevin just left for a basketball game with his friend, and I'm just kind of sitting here chilling, and I'm working on crocheting my sweater that I'm making. But in a little bit, I'm probably going to go ahead and start baking some Christmas cookies for my Christmas cookie exchange. I'm excited and I hope they turn out okay. So yeah, I'm gonna probably do that in a minute once I finish weaving in some ends on my sweater. Hey guys, and welcome to the part of Vlogmas where we're gonna be doing baking. So I got all my lovely baking ingredients. Had to buy a rolling pin because I do not own one. But we're gonna be making Christmas cookies tonight because I'm doing a cookie exchange with my family. Also got my festive little All I Want for Christmas is Book sweater on. These are available in my Etsy shop if you are so inclined. But yeah, I think the first cookies I'm gonna make are the sugar cookies, just because they're gonna need time to cool and like chill and stuff before we can decorate them. So I figured if I do that, we can decorate while we're waiting for the other stuff to bake. I'm also making fudge, which is super easy, and then I'm making some snickerdoodles. So while the snickerdoodles are baking, we can do the sugar cookies. So let's jump into this. I forgot my butter needs to be at room temperature, so I just put that out while I'm going to be cleaning up a little bit and getting everything I need. So hopefully that can room temperature soon. Okay, I'm trying to get out all the ingredients I need. I do have like sugar and flour already, I think. The sugar. Yeah. Move those up before I start opening the new stuff I bought. I also think I still have like old stuff in here. Yeah, I totally have flour and sugar already still, so I'm going to use those up before I start doing anything else with that. I also need my spices to be messy, y'all. Cinnamon. Okay, we're gonna try not to make a ginormous mess when we're doing this flour stuff. I got the like cutest spatula at Target. And then I got a new whisk because I only have a really crappy one, so yeah. And then I got all these super cute like cookie cutouts from Target. I got a little star, a candy cane, a little snowman, a little angel, and like a cute heart one. So I'm excited. I've never made sugar cookies before, so I hope this turns out alright. But it's exciting, so yeah. I need to get all my other mixing stuff. So while I'm waiting for my butter to soften, I'm actually going to go ahead and start my fudge just because it'll be easy. So I'm just going to pop this on to a medium-low heat. You don't want to burn your chocolate or anything, but I'm going to pop in a 1/4 stick of butter. This fudge is like so easy and it's really good. Now I'm just using a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And we're just going to pop that in the pot. Now we're just going to go ahead and add our semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use really any kind of chocolate that you want. The semi-sweet, I just like it better because the milk chocolate's a little too like sugary when you go to eat it. So it's a little bit nicer to have a little less of a sweet bite there. I'm just gonna use the whole bag. Hopefully that was the right decision. I don't really remember. I'm not using a recipe because I made this a billion times. But yeah, now add just a tiny bit of vanilla as well. Just a little bit. Give it some flavor. I should have prepared a pan before I did this, but I'm not smart. Oh yeah, you're just gonna basically want to mix this and like constantly keep stirring it just so the chocolate doesn't melt or burn. But we're pretty much just gonna stir this until all the chocolate is melted and it's nice and smooth. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna go chill this. This is the snickerdoodle dough. I have the sugar cookie dough already chilling, so I'm gonna bring that out and we can start rolling it out hopefully. But yeah. Got our first little candy cane. I feel like I need to like put flour on these or something. I feel like it was hard to like. Oh, these are so cute. I'm excited. So fun. I don't know why I haven't done this before. I can't wait to decorate these and I really hope they like cook okay. Because if they cook wrong, I'll be very sad. Should I make a giant heart cookie? I feel like this cookie cutter is too big, but we'll make a giant heart, why not? Gotta try every shape I got. That's kind of a cute thumbnail. Wait, let's just like make it a little more fun. Okay, I finished one tray of the sugar cookies. I almost dropped them all over the floor. But I'm gonna put these in the oven and they only take 11 minutes. So while I'm rolling out some of the other ones, I can start these cooking. Mostly because I want to see what they're gonna do, because if they get messed up, I'll be sad. These actually turned out perfect and I'm so excited. I'm sitting here doing this and I'm like, man, I'm like feeling tired and dizzy, and I'm like, I haven't even eaten dinner yet. It's 8 o'clock. I don't even know what I want. I meant to order DoorDash. We got the DoorDash. Okay, I'm about to smash. So I just ordered their blackened salmon and broccoli with the garlic mashed potatoes. Everything's still like super hot, which is nice. I got the first 2 batches of snickerdoodles out of the oven, and the second one is in there cooking now. And then I just have like a little bit more snickerdoodle dough left. So hopefully we can finish baking. And then once the sugar cookies are cool, we can decorate them. So that'll be fun. But I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna eat. My din din.